Have you ever stopped to consider what makes a square, or pondered why a circle is indeed round? If so, you're already on your way to understanding the fascinating world of two-dimensional geometry. Two-dimensional geometry, often referred to as 2D geometry, is the study of shapes and figures that exist on a plane. These include squares, rectangles, circles, and triangles, to name a few. Now, it's time to dive a little deeper into this captivating subject. Start by imagining a flat surface with no thickness. This is a plane, the stage upon which all 2D geometric figures perform. Now think of a single point on that plane. It's the simplest element in 2D geometry, having no length, breadth, or thickness. From this point, let's draw a straight line to another point. That straight line is the foundation of many 2D geometric figures. It has length, but no breadth or thickness, so a line is one-dimensional. But when you combine two or more lines, you begin to form two-dimensional shapes. Think of a square. It has 4 equal straight lines connected at right angles. Each corner point where 2 lines meet is called a vertex. The square has 4 vertices. The length between any 2 vertices is the same and is called a side. The area of a square is calculated by squaring the length of one side, and the perimeter is 4 times the length of one side. A circle, on the other hand, is a closed shape where all points are at an equal distance from a central point, known as the center. The distance from the center to any point on the circle is the radius. The longest distance across the circle passing through the center is the diameter, which is twice the radius. The area of a circle is calculated by pi times the radius squared, and the circumference or perimeter is pi times the diameter. Triangles, rectangles, and polygons each have their own unique properties and formulas, all based on the arrangement of lines and points on a plane. To summarize, two-dimensional geometry is the study of shapes and figures that exist on a plane, such as squares, rectangles, circles, and triangles. It all starts with a single point, progresses to lines, and then to shapes. Each shape has its own unique properties and formulas based on the arrangement of lines and points on a plane. So next time you see a square, you'll know what makes it a square. Or when you look at a circle, you'll understand why it's round. That's the power of two-dimensional geometry. It helps us make sense of the shapes and figures that surround us every day. Understanding 2D geometry is not just about solving math problems. It's about comprehending the world around us.